Hey, what's going on? We in the lab, nigga. This the lab now, nigga. This where we shoot. This is where we shoot. Alright, so get this ready. What is up, YouTube fam? Sway Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all this comparison video, as y'all can tell from the title of the video. And yes, this video is long overdue, but I want to take a new take on the shoe and just wanted to compare them with the 2014, right? Yeah, the 2014 version. My brother's in the back. The 2014 version of the Infrared 6. The black Infrared 6 to get it correct, because I know y'all correct me, and I want to do the 2019 comparison for y'all real quick. So I got some B-rolls, so I'm gonna be rolling those while I talk about the differences of the shoe, which is not too much, but from what me and my brother went over, he called out a couple. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. So first, on the 2014 pair, he said that it was a heavier nubuck. My bad, not durable, nubuck. A heavier nubuck, and he says Axia versus the 2019 pair. And of course, we all know out there that the color that they had is kind of like a pinkish color that they had on the 2014 version, and they got it right on the 2019 pair. It's more of a true infrared color, not pink, as y'all can see. And of course, on the back, you have the Jumpman Air on 2014 and the Nike Air on the 2019. And on the lace locks, you have, on the 2014, you just have the Jumpman on the lace lock. And on the 2019 pair, you have the Jumpman and you have Nike on the lace lock, which I thought was pretty cool. And on the inside of your shoes, you have, on the 2014 pair, you have the Jumpman on the inside and you have the Nike Air on the inside of the 2019 pair, of course. Both pairs have that 3M on your side panels. And on the 2014 pair, my brother said the ankle pods. He said the ankle pods are not as protruding as the 2019 pair, which are true to the OG form, because they are out versus the 2014 pair. And from my knowledge, that's pretty much it. The bottoms seem to be similar, just, you know, that infrared color on each shoe. But that's all I took away from the shoe as a comparison. Anything else you want to throw in real quick?
No, I think you hit on everything.
All right, so that's pretty much it, you guys. And he also, I didn't know this for the longest, but he just told me that on the shoe, on the side panels, you have MJ right on his side, right?
Yeah, MJ's on the outer side. Yeah, on the inner. That's 23.
Okay, so 23. He said on the inner side you have 2-3, and then on the outer side you have MJ right there. I didn't know that, so I thought it was pretty cool. Something I'd never known about the 6, so that was dope. Appreciate you to acknowledge me. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do the on feet for these, you guys, to see if y'all can spot out, you know, any differences on feet. And if you can, just leave a comment down below. And if you cop, leave a comment down below. Let me know you cop. Or if you cop something else, just let me know down below. If you want to see any more comparison videos, let me know down in the comment section. If you're a first-time viewer, hit that subscribe button and leave a like for this video. But let's go ahead and get into the on feet, you guys. Sway Kicks him out. Peace.